Alright, 6-shooter Texan. We are going to design my next bullet for my next molds. I've been using this Hornady .90 grain for my 32 H&R. I want to go ahead and make my own semi-wide cutter mold. That way I don't have to buy no more of those. I've shot quite a few. It's time to make my own mold. Alright, we're going to make it similar to it, but we're going to put a crimp groove in it this time. So we're going to draw it up here. I'm going to start right up here somewhere. Where we at? There we are. There we go. Once I get started here, it'll start going faster. Alright. The nose is going to be 530. The overall length is going to be 530. So we're going to put that at 530. Let's see if we can't get this scaled up now. It'll help see where we're at. Alright. The nose is going to be 170 long. So that's going to be 085 here. I don't know how this is going to show up on the camera, but we'll figure that out after it's done. Okay, the body is going to be at 320. We'll draw a line right here. Oop, what did I hit? And that's going to be at 157. Alright. That's our main shape right there. We know I'm going to have the land for that's going to stick out past the crimp groove 30 thousandths long. Just draw a line out there. Tell it it's not 90. It's 30 thou long. The same thing here. Alright. From there we are going in. We'll draw two lines like that. Oop, didn't draw that one. That's going to be a 180 line, and it's going to be 5 thousandths long. I'll zoom in on these as I'm going, so we can see it. There's those lines. Okay. I want this line to be at 90, and I want it 5 thousandths long. Ah, darn it, why ain't it taking this one? There we go. 90. and 5 thousandths long. Okay, we're going to draw a line now from up here down, be at 270. If y'all can see that now or not. Now we're going to take this, draw a line from here going that way, but we want it to run at 45 degrees, so that would be 135. Let's do a trim here and here. Delete that. Delete that. Oop. Come back up so I can see this other side. Grab a line up here. 270. Let's scroll back in so we can see it again. That line is going to be at 45. And we'll trim it. Alright, that's the base with the cantilever or crimp groove, whatever you want to call it. Okay. This is the end nose, very nose of the semi-wide cutter. I want this diameter to be 1/4 inch. So I'm going to draw a line right here and then go till it to put it at 1/8 of an inch. Oh. Alright. Let's draw another line. Don't care about how long it is. We're just putting it there to do a cross section. And this is going to be minus 0.125, and we can just tell it to do 270 on the diameter, I mean on the direction. Alright. Now we're going to draw a line from that point to that point. Now we can delete those. Delete those. And trim it from here to here, and here to here. Delete that, and there's our basic shape. Now what I want is to trim a radius, 0.31 radius, because we're going to be using a 16th ball nose in the bottom of this. And there's the basic shape of the next bullet I'm going to make. We can go ahead and put, where are we at? Right here. Okay, I'm messing up. There's our diameter. We'll do a diameter here. Let me back up here. Let's do the theoretical sharp corners at 170. Now let's go back and do the trim again. Diameter. Oop. Sometimes it grabs a spot that you're not thinking, what is it doing now? Come on now. It'll change on you quick. There you go. Alright, we want this diameter down here. And let's go up here to this one. That's the diameter of the crimp groove. Diameter at the base of the semi-wide cutter. See, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 diameters. Alright, now let's do lengths. We're going from here. Let's do the overall. That's 320. Or the body overall. Now we'll do the actual overall. Come on. Let me turn the snap off so it'll suck it in some. When I get it all done here, I'll size it again. Alright, we got that and that. Let's go from this corner. Well, let's do this corner first. Up. And we're going to go from this corner to there. I think that kind of gets everything there. We should have everything we need. Let's size it. Everything's there. Alright, I'm going to print this off. And I'll be right back. Alright. One printed out print. And what we'll do is, next thing we'll do is do the program on it for the machine. All the coordinates will come off of right here, off of the 0 here, XY0, and the Z0 is up there, and we'll go in that deep, 530 deep. Alright, thanks for watching.